everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, then now you know. And you guys, today I have an unboxing. Today we are unboxing my new bag from Polene and it is very exciting. If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot, as you can tell. If any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you consider click on the subscribe button and give this video a like, and ding the little bell down there so that you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get on into the unboxing. I want to just start off by apologizing because there's been so many unboxings, like kind of back to back to back. I didn't mean it to be like that. That's just kind of how it happened. I'm not over here just like buying everything. I do have a budget, but yeah, this just is kind of how it happened. But yeah, today, you guys, we're going to be unboxing my new Polene bag. This bag recently came out like maybe a few weeks ago, maybe a month ago at the latest, and it is like one of their newest releases. And this particular bag I have wanted for a while. I've wanted this style, but then it came out in this particular fabric and I had to do it. I had to. As you can see, it is a Numero Neuf, which I believe is 9 in French. I do have one Polene bag. I have the Numero Un micro bag, so it's very small. This box, as you can tell, is definitely a lot bigger. This is a true unboxing. I have not seen this bag in person before. As you can see, it still has the little sticker seal. I'm kind of trying to unbox this relatively quickly because I have to start work in like 30 minutes. So I'm just trying to get through this, but I don't want it to be too short, but I don't want it to be too long either. God, this sticker's so strong. Oh, it comes in a dust bag. Can you already see it? Can you already see it? I just touched it and it's very soft. Oh my God. Okay, so here is the little dust bag. Dust bag? I've always called it a dusk bag and I don't know why, but here's the little dust bag. Oh, she's so cute. I can already tell. Okay, so this bag may not be for everybody. This is a very seasonal bag. You can only wear this during like the fall winter time, probably more wintry, like kind of like getting out of fall going into winter, but definitely fall winter. And I just saw it and I thought that it was the cutest thing I ever saw. And without any further ado, are you joking? Oh my God, are you kidding? Are you joking? Okay. Oh my God, this is cuter than I even imagined. Are you actually kidding? This is so cute. Okay, so this style of bag, this is the Numero Neuf mini size, and I have wanted this size for quite some time. I've wanted this exact bag for quite some time, but I didn't know what color I wanted. You know, I wasn't sure. I didn't know, but then I saw they came out with the shearling. As you can see, it is shearling, and I saw they came out with this and I bought it almost immediately. So on the inside, it says full grain Italian calfskin. Bless you, baby. And then knitted fur, 100% recycled polyester. I don't know, but I got the little tag, little Polene tag. And then on the inside, let me take out all the stuffing. Oh, and we got a strap. Oh, we got a cute little strap. Oh my God, so it can be like a little crossbody. Oh, this is just so darling. It's got a button. Can you see this? You're not gonna be able to see this. It's got like a button closure right here that you just button on the inside like that. Hopefully you can see that. But oh, this is just the cutest thing I've ever seen. I will probably wear this more as like a top handle bag, you know, like this, like during like November, December. Are you joking? Could you imagine? Can I do a shoulder moment? Is it? No, it's a little too small for a shoulder, but maybe if I'm wearing, I love how I'm thinking, maybe if I'm wearing a tank top, but no, it's gonna be winter time. It's too small for a shoulder bag. Let me hook on this strap. Oh yeah, I was like so confused. I was like, there's no hooks, but you have to undo this. I forgot. So you have to, am I not supposed to undo this? I'm so confused. How do I get this on? Oh my God, this is so hard to get off. I don't understand. You're supposed to be able to, you have to be able to get this off in order to unbutton this, and this will go around the little hook right here. Here, hold on, I'm gonna try to fix this. Look, I got it. It's the cutest freaking strap. So then you can wear it crossbody. It's kind of big, I feel like, to wear crossbody, but maybe, I don't know. I mean, it is kind of cute. It is still a mini bag, I guess, but it's kind of big to wear crossbody, I feel like. I'll tell you one thing though. This bag sheds already. I can tell that it sheds. It's getting all over my pants. So hopefully it won't continue to shed. I don't know. I've never had like a fur bag or like a shearling bag before. So I don't know if it just always sheds or not. But yeah, I think that this is 1,000,000% gonna be a top handle for me. It's just so stinking cute. I might just keep the strap on. I'm not sure. I haven't decided yet. I will do like what fits in here soon, just because I do have to start work soon, so I'm not gonna have time to film all of that, but I'll do it here in a minute, so it'll be in this video. The first thing though, I do want to see if my planner will fit in here. Like the inside, I do feel like it is pretty spacious, but this handle I feel like could probably get in the way a lot. This is not gonna fit in here. Like, I don't think so. I don't think so. So maybe I just won't try, because I don't want to hurt this. It's not gonna fit. It's not gonna fit. I don't know why I even tried to do that. It's absolutely not gonna fit in here. So anyways, I think I probably have time. Yeah, I think I have time. I've got my card holder and she will fit in just fine. I have a feeling this bag is going to be like my everyday bag during the winter time. I've got my key holder right here. She can obviously fit in just fine. There is gonna be a lot of extra space in here. I feel like I've got hand sanitizer, of course my phone right here. That will definitely fit. I will say this will probably, oh my God, it is so furry. On the inside, it's not furry, but I have a feeling. Okay, so all of that is in there, and then I know that I can fit other stuff. Sunglasses. I know these will fit. Yeah, of course, they'll fit just fine. The only thing is that I'm a little just worried that the handle here, like the strap, is gonna get, not the strap, the handle is gonna get really annoying. Look at that. She actually fits a lot. I could fit so much more in this. I'm just not going to right now, but I have a feeling, I don't know, I feel like this is gonna be like my #1 bag in the fall and winter time. I mean, technically it already is fall. Like the first day of fall happened like over the weekend, I think, or like on Friday, like last Friday. So technically I could start wearing this now, but it's still like consistently like 80, 85, 90 degrees here in Tennessee. So I don't think that's what I'm going to do. I think I'll wait and I'll start wearing her maybe in like the end of October, November. I think that could be really nice. Or like maybe if we have like a relatively cold day in September, then I would do it. She's just the cutest freaking thing. And look, there is the gold little loops straps. I was able to get it off relatively easily once I turned the camera off. I was just getting camera shy, I guess. But yeah, this baby right here did retail for, I think it was $340. God, look at all of the hair. I don't know, I don't like that part. I can already tell I don't like that part. And I'm getting hair in my mouth. Like I've swallowed hair or like inhaled it. I can tell. Yeah, this thing sheds a lot, which is not the best thing, but I mean, like, it's freaking adorable. Okay, so it was $350, and then with shipping it was $370. So $20 shipping, it was $350, and the taxes were $0. So $370 for this bag, and I definitely don't think that's a bad price. I do not think that's a bad price at all. You know, because most bags nowadays, even ones that are on the more, you know, affordable side, usually retail for like, you know, $500, $600, stuff like that. Even like Coach, Marc Jacobs, you know, all of them, they do fall in that category price range as well. They are a Parisian brand, they are a designer, but they're not like luxury fashion, if you will. But I don't know, I feel like they are, because like who wore it? Kate Middleton? I don't think it was her. It was one of the princesses, or like the Duchess or something like that. She wore one of these bags to an event. Not this exact one, she wore a different style, but it was from Polene, and that got them a ton of traction, which I feel like it should have. I mean, like, I love Polene and I want them to continue to grow and grow and grow. But yeah, she's so freaking cute. I just love this little top handle. I feel like it's definitely gonna get annoying when I have to like get my stuff out of the bag, because it's very structured. You can move it up and down, but you can't move it out of the way. It is just here. So yeah. And it's like a little dumpling. Look at it. It's so freaking cute. I kind of wish that the sides popped out. Like, I know that the micro version of this, the sides do pop out and it gives you more space, and it, you know, allows you to fit more stuff in here. Yeah, I was trying to see if there was any way I could probably get my planner in here, but I don't think there is. You can stretch it out, but it only stretches out this way. It doesn't stretch out wide. So yeah, and I don't want to hurt it, so I'm not gonna force it open or anything. But look, she's so cute. I love her. She's adorable. That's pretty much all I have to say regarding this new baby. I really hope that you like her. Let me know in the comments what you think. Would you ever get a shearling bag? I know this is definitely a very seasonal bag. You can only usually wear her like for 3 months or so, but I think you could wear it during fall and winter. Definitely more in the winter side, but if you want to start wearing it during fall, then I would say like November, December, January, February. You would get a good 4 months out of wearing this bag, which I think is pretty good, honestly. But I know this bag would probably get dirty very, very quickly. They did have a black version of this bag as well. They had a black shearling, and that one already sold out, but I really liked the white one. I just liked the white one in general. I wouldn't have bought the black one. I love this, and I will have to keep it very clean. I'll have to be very careful with it and not get anything on it, because this is going to be an absolute bitch to clean. So yeah, I know probably a lot of people saw this white one and they were just like, absolutely not, I'm not dealing with that. And I understand. I like light bags, like light colored bags. So I am just going to really try and keep this baby clean. Maybe in the future I'll get the black one. I highly doubt it. But yeah, I'll keep you updated, and maybe I'll do a review like in a couple of months or so. I'm definitely swallowing a lot of hair and like inhaling a lot of excess hair and like dust, so that probably can't be very good for me. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you think of this new bag. Let me know if you like it, if you would buy it, if you would rock this, or if it's something that's totally impractical that you would not give this like a second look. Just leave me a comment telling me anything. I'd love to know that. Do you have any other Polene bags? Tell me anything. I'm very nosy. But you guys, I really hope that you did enjoy this unboxing. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and the subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!